Buzz cut. Hello audience again. It's almost dark, so I won't be able to get too much done, but I want to get a little bit done before it gets dark. I just want to remove the wing and possibly the hood, but we're gonna start with the wing because that seems the most straightforward. Alright, so on the wing, there's a few of these guys. Little Phillips. They're all along here. There's one on this side. And then on the inside of the actual hatch, there's three posts or three studs that stick out that have little nuts on them. So we have to take off a bunch of trim on the inside and then to access those, and then this whole thing should just make right off. Oh yeah, also the brake light wires. But that I hope is just a clip, and I hope that's just a clip and nothing like that is too complicated. Okay, the three studs are right there under those things. I only know this because the S12 group hooked it up with some knowledge. Okie dokie. Well, it's dark now-ish, and I got the wing off. There's a big-ass freaking rust hole. That's a big rust hole for all you East Coast people. This is a California rust. This is probably as bad as it gets right here. That's big for California. There's a lot more fasteners on there than I was led to believe. I think it's because this is the XE model and not the SE model, which are different. And so, it took a little bit longer, and I may have cracked it a little bit, but that's okay. I can either Bondo it or not give a shit and just paint it. Probably not give a shit and just paint it, because it's going on a drift car. But so far so good. A little progress. Okay, I'm gonna cover this crappy door thing with some fabric. So this door card is done. Ta-da! And it matches the seats. We'll do that later. Yeah, I'll do the second one tomorrow. Underneath there. Alright, well, the Accord might be toast. As you saw, there was an accident, and the fender is pretty much toast. Looks like some suspension components and maybe the CV axle, but if the strut tower has been moved, it's gonna be totaled out. I mean, if I can just put a fender on it and a new corner light and maybe like a CV axle and just keep driving it because they're cheap, and I'll do that, but it's probably gonna be totaled out. Okay, so wanted to go over because it was poor lighting when I was doing this. I kind of want to just go over the attachment points, so if anybody else is looking to do this, they have a better idea where they attach. This is only the Mk2 wing, not the turbo wing for the Mk1. But there's one screw on each side. Then there's these right here that are fairly obvious. Then inside there are these four. But then additionally, on if you pulled the hatch up onto the inside of the hatch, there's also I think 5 10 mils in there, and it took me a while to get those off, and I may have cracked the wing a little bit because I didn't figure that out for a while. But this car got a new radio bezel thing, that light cover. I'll put that on later. So here's the wing we got off. It's not, obviously this is not how it's exactly gonna fit. There's some studs under there. I don't really want to lift it because then you won't be able to. Well, there's studs that come down. There's one like right here and one right here. And then, whoa, ah! You can see him scraping the shit out of my car. I don't really care. I guess that's a way we can mark it. Yeah, that's gotta get, once those are there, I gotta mark those, drill holes, and bolt it in. And then on the back, I'll probably use 3M tape as well. And on the back, down here, there's a bunch of guys. And I'm gonna totally ruin this wing. I mean, it's already cracked right there, but I need to put a hole right here so I can access my trunk because it doesn't pop if I don't. So, sorry everybody, that's gonna happen. Well, my thermostat still isn't fucking opening. So either I'm gonna bleed the system some more, and if that doesn't work, then I have no idea. Anybody that has any other advice or experience with this type of thing when your thermostat doesn't open, let me know what you did, etc. We'll go from there. Yeah, there was something else. What the hell else was there? Yeah, I just want to bleed it, but I have to let it cool down now. Alright, I got little marks there. Ruined. Ruined. What have I done? Oh my god, what have I done? Alright, since I don't have a punch, I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna punch where I need to do, so when I drill out with the step bit, it doesn't like do terrible things. Forgive me, S12 gods, for I'm about to sin. Let's start there, huh? This is not fun. Oh. Alright, we got a hole in the trunk now. Great. Okay, probably one more step. One more step down. Okay, one more step. That's not quite big enough. Okay, let's get the other one. What have I done? Ah! Fuck my life. I'm gonna have to probably reset that somehow. God damn it, I'm so dumb. Why did I do that? I shouldn't have done that. I should have drilled all the holes first. Alright, last one over here. Hopefully I don't break any more of this stuff. I'm gonna have to glue that one back on or something. It's gonna need 3M tape. Well, this is not gonna be easy. Like, none of these wanna line up. It's almost like I did it wrong. Well, that's roughly how it's gonna fit. Probably gonna paint it black and put like 3M tape all on the inside right here. Weighing progress so far. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, I think I got it. I think I bled the system. I had to bleed the system again. And now the thermostat is, yeah, I know it's a little bit low. That's how it usually sits. But before I was just sitting at C, like on the C, like on the C. So now it's better. All I had to do is get a funnel and put it on top of the radiator cap and fill that up with water and let it sit for like 20 minutes. Celica's back. Alright, I got the third brake light out, so I don't paint it. I'm going to Scotch-Brite this. I'm going to rinse it off.
He wrote this song, it's not too short, it's not too long. It's got backup vocals in just the right places. It's got a few losing odds, and it takes a little pause just before I sing the air flood. Please play this song on the radio. Almost every line is sung and talked.
It is scuffed. I don't think you guys will be able to see it. It's scuffed and it's wiped down, so I guess I'm going to start putting some primer on it so we can get this camera to balance. It's the best we got, so don't fall, okay guys? It's not the best. I mean, like, see there's cracks and stuff, but it's an SC wing. And it's primer color. Deciding whether I want to try to make it black or not. Just leave it like this. Leave it primer. I'm gonna let it dry and come back. Well, it's dry. It's not perfect, but I'm gonna paint it anyways. It's eventually gonna get repainted when the whole car does, probably, if the car gets repainted. But for now, I just want it black so it looks like 15 feet decent, you know? Super light coat. Super light coat. Fuck. Fuck. The fucking cap broke. The cap broke inside of here. This can is useless, oh well. Since I don't have black, I'm going to just put it on the damn car because I fucked up.
I'm gonna do this door.
Look at this. Look at this. Oh my. I love it. I absolutely love it. I need to fix the bumper now. Dude. Oh my goodness. Fuck yes. The third brake light doesn't work, but that's okay. I'll get that. I'll figure that out later. Dude. Well, I mean, it's got like a whole, you gotta figure out the whole wiring and stuff, so you can see all the tire striping. I don't really care. It's just primered for now. It is held on with 2 bolts and 3M double-sided tape. Seems pretty solid to me. I'm super stoked. Alright, next I want to take off these little spats thing. They're not really a lot, but I want them. Stripped as a motherfucker. I got it off, as you can see, as well as the clips. Mine now. It's like a picnic.
Second door is done. I think it looks bad because some of the fabric folded over. Like I should have put some sort of edge on this, but well, it looks better than the crack dash. So, I don't know, bitch.